una listen to that boy mama when Sarah Coco post say na that one I be her boyfriend. Una listen to the mama. The mama don finally come outside, come talk everything. How her son and Sarah they know each other. I beg make una not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys for my next video.
The musician is town also. Mobile Island in Apio. 24 years. Oh, me imagine 24. So when I am pure all year school, second just graduate, understand. So on I make career a music career. So we show Lily here. So a doctor because already show Lily, but I was maybe Lily man. So that very day, near Stephanie Mipi, I was even in that show that day. So it's testing now by when I say young people, so I exchange a number. From there, what why we are contact. So I said, Doctor Stephanie now to make you remember. Yes, Stephanie on me. Yeah.
Okay, Stephanie not Jonoro.
Not your yes. All around few women. Yes. So all I hear do exchanging no by Doctor Iri. Stephanie now do go in make one we not allow with that. Or tinyele here with video can shooting music music that you won't know we allow no act as the boyfriend because boyfriend they around. No allow now it's okay, no problem.
Movie where boyfriend a Stephanie movie where a boyfriend they say around.
Yes.
Okay.
I wanna wait the musician that is as no young. That is the musician of young way with the music that era. No, we let to represent the guy. Oh, we know. Yes, so I like listen to the with the mommy and it's okay or not. Yeah. So really no, we are waiting and I will
pigeon implement why it is a pigeon.
Okay. Need that best one.
The best one who's a pigeon. Start again, maybe you speak pigeon so that people will know the year being made the year everything.
Okay. Good evening, my people. Good evening to everybody in the house. Me that is talking, I'm the mother of Ovorame, the star, the musician boy. I'm the mother. Ovorame was born in Highland, in Dublin City. He's 24 years old boy. So he was a student throughout his life, finished his graduate. So he has his career as a musician. So he always go to show everywhere. So one day, I was with him there because when he's doing show, I go with him sometimes, So one day when we were in the show, he met Stephanie. So as a young people, they talk, they exchange phone number. So from there, once in a while, they talk. So one of these days, Stephanie and I get back to my son. I say, please, my brother, my junior sister want to shoot a music, and I want you to enter. The boy that's supposed to shoot the video with her is not around. My son should just represent the guy. My son now say, okay, no problem. So they now talk that he's going to put the music in YouTube. So he now said, okay. So they do the music. That was last year, it was around September. Yes. So they put that music last year. So everything was fine. My son come back home. Anybody know that any of this star or musician when they shoot music or official music with anybody, at the end, if that music want to come out, they will put it and say Fisher back.
Fisher so person. Exactly.
They didn't do that to my son. They didn't pay my son.
They removed the name of say they didn't feature your son, but your son do the music for them.
Yes, they didn't tag the name and nothing of it.
Just speak pidgin English. Where was the pidgin? Where was the pidgin?
Okay, so they not put my son name as the Fisher star that do the music with him, like Fisher by so and so. Yes. They not put her at all. They not put her. So the next thing,
Sarah Coco produced the music, come out.
Yes, he posted it in YouTube since last year.
Okay.
So it's only Annette that was there. So he never put in name, nothing. But he was testing my son for them to go for a date.
He was not pestering your son for them to start dating.
Yes, when they go out for dating, yes.
See, and the way Papa the way Esther just take Cash Destiny, they use them.
So my son, yes, just say my son start to be stay clear. He don't want to do it. He don't want to go. So he really had a broken logotary. So he really had for him to go with her. So over 1 month, something like that, my son now said, okay, when do you want us to go? He said they should go to film house and restaurants. You understand?
Okay, my son make your son they follow and they go and film house.
Yes. So my son now said, I won't do the two. I will only go with you to restaurants. I can't go to film house. So like that. So as he was disturbing my son now text had one day and said, okay, when do you want us to go? Then Sarah last day, that very day, I was in car with my son that very day. I was coming from appointment. My son bring me from appointment where I go, you know. So he now call her. Sarah last day, Sarah Coco now tell my son and say, okay, let's just go this week. My son now say, no, I just call you to say, when are we going to go? He now say, okay, if you cannot do it this week, I'm coming to Canada. I'm going to stay 11 months. And so I said, okay, you can go. That is how they end the topic. So my son never heard from her since that last year. Never heard from Sarah Coco. So on the 23rd, I think on the 23rd or 24th, if my friend just rushed to my house and say, Auntie, I say, because everybody always tell my son that we see you and Sarah Coco in music, you know, head. But this day, last month on the 23rd or 24th, my friend come to my house. He said, Auntie, you don't see Ovorame? See Ovorame, Sarah Coco don't go right put to, say you don't bring a boyfriend out to. No, as if character bad, we still get boyfriend, we carry him. So I now show my son. That's my friend show my son. My son will just stand to say, what is this? My son tried to reach Sarah. You don't feel reach Sarah. He cannot even reach Sarah. Test. No way. So my son just said, he just think maybe it's nothing, you know. So we just forget about it. Not knowing that week, maybe 4 days to after that day, Sarah put to bed. The information we now hear. They say Sarah don't born. He born for the boy where we can sing music. He did talk with a rich boy. Say now he give Sarah Bele and give Stephanie Bele.
Yes.
So they started. It's my own sister that see the video. When what did they call her? Whether apropos, put my son Bishop outside. Started destroying his name. That is how it happened.
Okay, the first...
And people started calling my son. People started calling me. My son lose a lot of followers now as I'm talking to you. Not even 19, a lot. As I'm talking to you now. So my son now called me and said, Mommy, see, this guy is not picking because see what he do. He just text Stephanie. Stephanie replied my son and say, oh, that is how Sarah behave. I'm going to tell her I will drop the video because my son said he should drop that video or else what will come for him. So Sarah didn't drop the video. The next thing Sarah do is send text to my son. I said, why did he go and show send text to his sister?
Sarah why did he come and say the call where Ovorame and the cousin call her, but he can't go the quarrel with Ovorame and say why he go the test his sister.
Yeah, yes. But when he sent that text, I tell my son not to reply that text. Till now, and when this thing happened, that very day, when he put that, when they are suing,
definitely they are suing, but because of social media, where people they run for the boy, they say all of them they carry and they go for island and everywhere say his son don't give Sarah and this boy Bele because he am the music. Sarah you boy you Sarah now the one la diano like say na his boyfriend. Now Sarah carry and come out. And no man he gonna Yahweh.
No, he not pay anything. He not pay anything. The only thing supposed to even do to even put my son name there. Let people know the boy when we can do that music. He didn't do it. The last thing he went to go and do now to destroy my son enemy career.
Can you imagine?
To understand? After I do that, my boyfriend, being my bad character, I still get my way carry me. 1 hour and 50, went to go and write it there that he missed a period.
Okay. After he writes, say, on top of my bad character, I still see boyfriend will marry me. It be like this one. Then later, he comes to go right, say, guy, I don't agree see my period again, no.
1 hour and 50, yes. Before they started carrying my son picture all over now. Why would she do that? Is my boyfriend the person that pregnant her? He not the man that had the baby. Why did he put that one picture outside? Why? That is what I want people to help me to ask them. What did I do to them? I don't know Esther. Esther don't know me. My son don't know them. My son don't have anything to do with it. They come to beg him for favor and he do it. The next thing I see what they are doing to us.
So did they even try to apologize?
Never. I said the very day this thing happened when Steph carried that picture, that story out. I called the mother. I looked for a number. They gave me, I called the number. She never carried that phone. Till today never call. Although I don't need that call anymore. You understand?
So people when say me as children enter saga. Until now don't they see the way that they drag other Irish family they enter. But now they inside. So my question now can be say anybody gonna get question what I want ask. Because me this something tire me. Okay, now, Mama. Even now I am not so now. The video where Sarah Coco don't go post. Don't go put your pikin, say now your pikin be the boyfriend. He don't remove her. The boy tell her make he remove her.
He don't drop the video. He should go wipe the writing away. That is the writing you read there just now. You just wipe it away. So if you go into that video now, you won't see that writing again. Because we have it with every. That's why you see there.
Yeah. But he not remove and your son picture still there.
Yes, that the video is still acting now in YouTube. Yeah. The video is still there.
Of character. Yes. So
yes.
You understand that is the sort of me, my darling. People want to see this matter because self-love can also carry on. A self-love will not show Sonia in the social media where a Sarah Coco was doing in Oriel Latian. He say his boyfriend where one person give them belly. Now him be this so see will be the boyfriend. Now that boy now he did the middle of this picture. Now he did this. So you understand?
Yeah.
So that one can't be that one. Well, I understand. So if you have the news, not be say they come social media, they don't know what they go do. Because some of them they write and say go police station. They know what they want to do lawfully because defamation of character. They know what they are going to do as a family. But the reason, Mama, we no, you wear at social media.
Why I call social media is that the way Sarah and the gang put my son photograph there in public, they should come out and clean my son's name away from there. He should come and clean it, and he has to pay for the damage. Because my son do that video with her. He didn't pay her. He didn't pay my son. He didn't pay him.
Wow.
I didn't put my son.
Yes, Esther wa mo nu hia perepere bo doge e that bin ya phone. If you ever you sanya Savvy Island.
They don't my son, man. The only thing you want to do is to destroy.
This is so, now this one I carry mama character for inside. Now so mama just see this destiny. Una yemi ya. Una surprise now. Okay, Ije. We magine Sarah. I cannot assume when you are baladian la. That's we are no we are. But when I'm doing music, you go get me go and get beg your wari restaurant, wari a party, wari hotel, we get book no show. So then I will have my job.
I never see her. If I take a vow, we are with it on him. I am your vow. Yeah, my God. Whoever I explain it. My son never, since that video thing, my son never even see her. Since that last year, my son never even speak with her. Because my son turned her down.
You see her?
Oh no, whether the pregnancy wanted to attach it to my son. Who knows?
Yes, now
who knows that plan?
Small boy will get Irish passport.
Yes, who knows that plan? Because I can release this one. This is my papa. He never reached how many days. They say she put to bed. Can you imagine?
No be sumotio. I made the day with Sagale 1 month. Yes, that be in both you talk back. Iam case or defamation of character. If I think if you work with Saga, working your trainer and I am not when it's severe saga. Do you even know that the worst part of it all? This mama was telling me yesterday, say, why Esther go say one use a video way begin the way not pay. You want promoter for inside saga. Agreement in here. Now waiting the small boy they even I'm a clipper, I don't like this kind of life.
Yes. That is not agreement. It's not the agreement. They asked Saga, you want to go and put my son there? I don't know what she wants.
Sarah, the worst part of it all, Sarah even Stephanie write her for the this thing when I show come and just now, this conversation. He write her come and he say he want use this Saga to promote the music where you are over a music in Wema Saji.
Promote yourself and destroy that person's career. Do that for Nigeria for 2 years ago. You come to destroy.
A music in Wema Saji like mother, like children. I don't tell you say a character is here or in yes again. But what getting in my WhatsApp social media, in general, if mama can carry me for where I sit down, we say one use me to do a vacuum. Near ya webu. Oh yeah, if you ever the lab, yeah, was son of Wesagana Manatia. Yeah, where any at your we are do advertising beyond way. Is here advertising beyond the body presenter my phone, and Mona one the lab, yeah, we are who what did you? Dr. Vivier, Esther, who what did your body here? And why are you book one? Next time we boy and social media and I promoted baby, and no, you can't do on nothing. A baby, like Bill and Emilia. It's your for us when the time is when you are Latina. Near kept from any other time, I don't where. Or we are more time for men of your cat, their friend, they only carry your way because of level your ability. They near TA or stigmatize of honey about this way. Or stigmatize of for about this way. We move one. And I have one. If you have a carry islands, you carry islands in up your money. Or mammy have the problem in that the day. If yes, that work in Nigeria, and I want me where over here, assume your hackere. Una contract na enter saga. Una contract go even make your friend they run and say you went to impregnate 2 guests at a time. Una know how damage that can be to children.
2 sisters.
2 sisters.
When they come. My brother, my sister,
because we present us for because the boy also a public figure, but it's not a public figure. You know, say na saga na they do. Na him make a name. Una call and tell and say make he carry 5 friends come. All the video one shoot now for my friends. Now if we said that video, wama sani ya ropa. Wama saniya ropa. Wari dia rego ya peje we go ya itebe gwala na wo wadori yo biye yugwe mi wanari ye montan. Wadori ye.
When you adore ye, when you have some money like media, when you have some money you adore ye, because I want my wire. I'm your one of your started baby. And yes, now because the man started, the man ye there. Yeah, boy, very to him. They should come out.
So iya no jo for am where e manire land we no where e kesi na won follow e the court ya.
Because even on my way understand.
Okay.
Even on my way so I can't wait because
right so when over aro wa ni no de no ga gume gwan isapa o ye wo visual no no ga gume gwan anywhere iya ni ya wasi family owe but ne yes stakala diane ne ya do gun ya do tunu ya tabo le ne ya re wo kana yin because o ma lo se we ma ya be ya teme ni le so a video fe no ro kibi unu ri stare we ovora me na wo na pa en za e boyfriend yin o ma no be kin de because every year sin ya boy and is going to cost that small boy a lot because e mo na bia le we bonu e bia le ma mi gbona e fe wo kan ni bo do ni o gbe ne bo do ogba bo kan ni bo do e family e ya solo wu ogba obi o kan kere na bia le we bu ba bi ri esta wa we mi ro pa wa be gbe Yishwe yen mo gbe ni ya yu wa ya kin san na gbe gbe na ya hwe eku ege ni shuwa na so we la tin tamu wa na we mi na wa ege ekere e social media e mi no read to wo le ri la tin e we tell you mi no be ebu tin o ya so bo be hwe yi mi ori ye ya diagbon this one wo na enter so na social media me ware ma so alelu babo ni san e gbagbon e gbe oku wa ma na we direct we gbo for am number 1 you go ni gba ni egie Ige, una go give her money because una go music we follow una too. Wamari hone wama sane, wama le fisher any, but we fisherin some but the agreement in wa make agree. Wama we ropa. Abi ivi fieu.
Ola yana yo dafia le yana to yo irelatia. Yana to yo irelatia. Yana we fisher irelatia. Ikare island, amai me guna. Amai go we why ya ni o we ya is a very quiet person and kind. And when you we they know him. Oga esta doctor you know where you with me. You know so boy relatia. Everything you know boy relatia. We don't have we are not what corner. In the only as of time we are. My brothers and sisters, beg, don't let me ask them. All I me ask them, the doctor you, and the doctor the children.
Wagagmo, my darling people. A matter now, we will see for years. So this one not get a CB. If yesterday was in was winning, now what the win wa? It been on what been here on social media. Saga no wa ukian is you have why because Saga na last week the demande. Wake one on a fool. Me una first of all go pay over me and crew way carry con go do movie for una go pay am after una pay the finish about to see oguju wabu do me see wabu dey na so I tell una this morning before I go work after una pay the finish back awusa una open una live video because una open tell the whole world why don't time me land here you go for am massacre we do ma no ye ke we there any me because if you have a reputation to protect.
Yes.
He have a name to protect. He have a reputation to protect. Of a person go come the seafood way no eat, they'll come the see for a mat. Una no small boys now. They go use that in the boy there. You understand?
I tell you, for your good, for the favor what you do for them. This one a plan one is not that because before they come to ask for favor, they already planning. They already planning. Yes.
That turned down. That talk that they ask and say, may we go? She be want you street take pin pregnancy on that boy.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Because of Irish passport.
You don't the pay as a baby. Can you imagine? Why did you put the husband? or the boyfriend. Hey.
A pregnancy now you want your opinion on small picking. Where you not concerned. You carry a copy of you are over way. You imagine a mona be a way, but one may born a devanicate Nigeria dinner. Avatic Borokoto, no Mijiam, we patako, now be of this one.
Yes.
Then if you can't say, I would you made the mistake in your boyfriends in it. You get not the one selling your mama.
Can you imagine? Yeah, because if you're not, because if you where I show you my son who are here, I'm a piece of my like only that fit only I will finish. When what do Latia? Oh, yeah, never so all the time. Only when you're going to pity.
Oh, that's so
what is that?
Oh, that's so here. Erisha wa le be bagwa. E bagwa Yahweh a director le limwi Asia la wa se second wife. La mother imata mwa la mother la children wa. Our men spiritual eye. You got you look be meaning why ain't what for me. Why ain't what for me?
Why they drink of foreign out from the media? You me ask them, let me ask the Pharaoh, ask the children, ask the non know me and non Western. I'll let you buy music.
Esther Wakata Black TV Nigeria. Ye make any Esther, we marry go need you where you produce it. You not give them money. Because if they give you pay, you not gonna pay, then you pay, you got quality imagine, I don't know what they do now. Who know you know the social media? The matter where you work people looking at do. Just imagine. Esther. We are here UK, and we are winner. Squia jo, ya me gwa le music in gwa me ya me uwe do. Video no gwa me ya me uwe do, ya gwa le ma ya ni me career. No do gunya we be UK ya ma pay. Asipa ka ekinu gwa le gwe destiny do. O ma jo for am je. West ma ni the presence we ma we gbeti we papa na.
Your West.
Ekinesta gwa le do me Nigeria. Ekinu gwa le destiny do. Let me go and desperate children. You know what the children even tell this boy? They say why the boy they cry. Say they carry on. They say na miss where they go. As this saga they grant so. Say na miss where go use us to promote music. Then the boy say for what? Fight online. Saga, you want to put me inside? Is this our agreement? Is this our agreement? Did you pay me? Did you even fish on me? My mother asked me to rest and leave everything to God. And still you went to take me to social media for them to be beaten? Una no see matter. Abe Mona send me that video. When Felicia Kiate say, Nivia Stala Diana Yaswen Sagare Ege Saga Sena. I need that video. I need that video where you get the shot. Make them just come out. Make them sit down. It be like say I get her. May I go look for her? Make them sit down. Ni ado swing bina. Any ni vie watota. I bina na kake ni ado bina for ni ala saga full time. Not pa no vere UK when ni ade ni ado la saga. I rivi ya la dia o. I rivi ya la gogwa. I rivi ya la kwa. Abi bia January tire never bewebo. Re wa emonu wasilo kwesaga onisiyan so asilo la dia never ma egbe pari egbiwe.
Tawa no dey ma do gbegbe agia. Igbo we la we. Gbo kan la loke. Ibi e ka or you come on egbe.
Okay, but
don't ibi e ka. You no abuli, you no abuli oda for me. What do I pressure ni, what do I tell ni? Uwe ye tamwe, doni we kere. Uwe ye gbugwe iwere. Uwe ye gbugwe iwe zori. Une ga finu give you to. Uwe ye gbugwe iwe zori. We ne ga finu give iwe to. Uwe akere. Okay. Gomi kere. Wa uwe to. Doze unu. Anita, what take iwe to? Don't ever speak that language again. Edo. Seven kere. Sisu ubuya dunya ma. Wa seven kere. Seven kere e de gbeje do ya gwi ma goa. Is that clear to you? Anita Shaba. Seven kere.
Yeah, oh.
Why we prepare the video we now? It just good. We get we up back one. Understands? Alright, the way go you might resist eh. E mo ifa no so no boya gwe we thank God nya go agun ne. Iyanze do yanze go nya go agun ye go ati. Yo ba we yan latian. Ya God ne don tuta. Who tuta by the side of that your daughter. When why have you bullet near to because bibi car or you come on be. We get the buan. Oh, why your power? We are take cocoa one way cocoa. You sit down there. This person is insulting me. It's other person. Oh, we are not cafe woman. Oh, monoma negbe. Oh, we are never tell. Bonera bije. I went to another. Let it happen for you. Where you dey insult my?
Ave motivational speaker no Sylvia Stark we saga na hio. Iye donu zomo. E vidiya ya ga pe opopa. Ni ya Sylvia bieka we saga. Then agwana a court case no ka o de leginya une with aduro. The defamation of character. Or the leginya une muaduro paper. Wa beg even wa failure in no ramification of life. Itam when we failure. Oh, why aladian was son, why aladian was fan. Am I be pari egbiwe? Is your forum a keke boy ya Olivier Stahiania? Nia dear social media nia do you know ya muto. Osanya maha. Emon wa wena do total no we saga the life do. Iya gwa le life ya hi gbese. No ori ya ma iji ya ma ha refo. Already she ya kere ye gwa bati. The one where their mama pay remain still dey with your bat. Their own where they not pay. O for na le crew no viole legbe ya we video ni Viesta. Iya wa be swene right from death. O Viesta na tia oni yeri we job your hand na we we de na go na ta mi jeje na we ju. E we ya say business obi be. E we ya say business. Jo wanu re ya rigonu e aje na your hand na we regbe ya sa. Let's go to restaurant. Let's go to bar. Let's go to this one. Ijena gwagwa uwe ni esiko jo we kan be be nwa hobo na money yin na business yin na we yan do if you start here tell you ya ase music at the end of the day to waye mwe bo any la jam social
mama why dey sort papa omo no ele gbe no ye o wa take aso Coco and Steffi we are see we Iya garo vi jouer baby oni sis nya wi azo boy in jouer kunde agbi jouer ke da mai gwevo we forever gi no iya gi mwe be contrast o wari aga let your song ri aga wa want here Sandra Harry easy is insulting me Coco come sit down Sandra Harry easy is insulting me
Una si mata vedi me gbona sevebuna. Una si biki don sit down one day. Why me over here total there? Erin ya ya hewe. Na so they take polo if stack we sagana. Na me we at the end of the day na so we lead to a heavy punishment. Wage ave mani mali school no ma emi a life him. E mani on giyan ni ma on here the worst part of it wa on we. You go know your own. Say social media no go hit be 10 years ago. No yagbi na we sago we ma igbi na no ete. Umai we no mo no ma go won go that and then no do gbi ni na ni no. Umai we no total real platform no do gbe. No mere ma na kedere you ado you gbero pa ma ele platform no do gbe me you eke. One day no day. No do go me hon you eke. Error. No pa ma eri obi e la dia. Wa ya na wa sanu la dia wa we ni Viesta la dia you wa je a. Viesta na la dia. Ema ya nile you ogun ya me ya landing ya na so asile ya kwesa gaba my swing bina. Because if you ever made na been a systematic saga and the worst part of it is greediness loving ya. Wata me ya gwe ni ya de ni ya doji ma ku go ya na de ya na ya mu e. Ya na ga sile e bi no ga gbi ya hu ya na ga sile ya ladin. Ya na ga sile ke ni ya le eji ya. Then silo all of the come put for outside. Now the family of Ovora they dragged in the group. If it be a canny. Because when a bad rofet cause case kawala wauni. By a bad Roma buwa court case, it don't fit enter their head. Why? Because of advice where they come from Mukbo people. Abi biagianika de supo la we a presentation. Aba see a wonike at the supo la presentation. Na so they take carry extra children. Enter the one where they so. I na me we je money nya mo wo gwa yan do ayi mi yesterday live video ni yan de ni yan do ri e ovi yan yu we gwa alari ovi yan we saga e music ovi yan gwa ma asa wa do jo ovi yan ya we promotion we saga the social media gwa ku level your egbere ebo ya hinu egbe we are hearing online to say go and see oh you pregnant una know that thing the way they affect children wey they born for this ewebo they are very sensitive. Any small thing where they just tell them is bully to them. They don't enter home. How that boy will be feeling, how that boy will be living now. When they tell and say, they show a picture, say, see, you have impregnated these two people. They say your children are with them. What is it for them? Why? Advice coming from this local or close to them. Wait, they social media. Advice coming from this opposing. Advice coming from this opposing. Now, so it job be, my darling people. Hello. Hey, Mama Ann, how are you? I'm fine. I did life.
I know, I understand. I'll be watching. Mama, do you know that this case is very sensitive?
Honestly.
So what the lady have to do, she have to send a message to the so-called girls or whatever and give them days to drop that video. If they refuse to do it, the woman should sue them.
Don't call them. They're not people. They can't send a message to say,
if they refuse to do that, the woman should go and get a lawyer. The woman should go and get a lawyer. Within 24 hours, she have to handle them, you know, because she don't have to just ignore them, maybe because we are all Nigerians. No, she don't have to do that. These girls or these children need to be dealt with in a very simple way, not in a hard way. That is the only method she have to use. She have to go and get a lawyer, and they will bring that video down, and they have to tender a public apology to that boy. If not, they will regret it.
Waiting for them to do now. You understand?
Yeah, if they don't do not only apology, they have to drop that video first. A lawyer have to involve. If not, because Esther fee where Nigeria or fee where that local celebrity, not even local, semi-local. If fee where the woman have to go and get a lawyer. She don't have to waste time more. Because this one is bullying. This one is bullying. She have to go and get a lawyer. If these guys refuse to drop that video, she have to sue them. I'm telling you the gospel truth. As far as we have your boy, your turn in the UK, and they will trace to them. I'm telling you the truth.
Now. Even the music and the boy do, he has to drop it out.
Everything they have to drop it.
There is no feature the guy do music.
Mama, listen, even this one, the woman is coming to social media. It's not even helping, but the fact is good the way she, explained so that the general public will understand the kidney problem and it generates.
Let me talk this one for you. Now people will believe. Now make me they bring it.
No, they will not. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So the next step she have to take now, when a lawyer will contact them. If they refuse to drop that video with instruction a lawyer, they will face heavy consequences. I'm telling you, including the so-called Esther, Omana Rewan. I'm telling you the truth, that is the only best alternative that this lady have to do now. There's no other way, because by this time this thing now enters bullying, where they are not bullying this child.
You see the child there now. For the video where self-love this. Now that boy there in the middle of Esther, two children, and Esther. So
when a real lawyer,
when happened to their family before, he just
no, Mama. When a real lawyer, and after that they have to tender a public apology to that boy.
Into big tears to say, I didn't do any. I don't know anything about all this time. This one is not.
No, the woman Esther fee where Nigeria Nigeria now. By the time a lawyer now involved, we cannot be leader. So that is my take on this. When the woman real lawyer, she have to go and do that. When a real lawyer, they have to drop that video and they have to tender a public apology to that boy. And they will learn in a simple way, not in a hard way. I'm telling you, because the matter of here like
yesterday, just they tell me that one know what to do, because the UK they learn it, he go school or why just that those one they know what they are doing.
Yes. No, they will regret it, yes.
See, just
Mama,
like this
continue.
one, because
Mama,
of
this case is yours because I know you can do things like this because you are simply the best.
thank you.
Okay,
my
Mama.
God bless you.
Enjoy your days, yeah.
Thank you. So, because of the gravity of it to say, social media, it can't concern those people. The whole family are very concerned to say, what is it for the very first time? I can't take concern our picking, can't go concern all these kind of people. You understand? I see message where they take all and come on for us. The first ever message. Now it be this way, Sarah Coco, where he say now. He said, my sister, she's now Stephanie even called her. He said, my sister, she's an artist too. She wants to do a video shoot. And she would like you and few of your fine friends to be in the video. They really did the video. They are in the video, but Sarah and Stephanie, they did not pay. Saga join start social media. Saga is social media. Fast. Ni adoye saga promote. Ni adoye edo saga space promote. Ona de gbiyan gwena. E family vora me. Mata mi yege gbono na no igbabe promotion na wa we egbe na yen. Yere gbene na. Yere gbene na. Oviere mige ewe ni yensi so ko we life e here. Egbe gbo me pa gbo we who e ti anana. E self love was so nya e do because me ma blame money in the sense that if yesterday e la dan we boyfriend din we yen character yen me boyfriend. E family the boy na we boyfriend do why? E na ma konu wa. What's what na vie na no mo konu wa la din. What's what na mo na no mo konu wa la din. Definitely, my darling, everything they go they come as small. Why? Because now business, now the boy they do a business. So when you start with business, you with business. You go young line. We bona me free way. You don't see person where they sit down. How you know this no can shoot. Or we free no. But Sarah Coco wanted to go and pay with Toto. If you want to use Toto to pay, a Toto payment is not work. A rich you where you pay, what destiny. You use Toto to collect all the way they around destiny, make they come spray for her. He had Toto join he had the boat join and Bavie, when we are wooing here, stab Yasek be social media na imagine na present na esta you only here by thunder by fire we don't remember your robo. You want to take the promotion by thunder by fire. Or see no na big bon hu na ba hu na na me we that boy ma go gbegi dey okay. That Mr. Maggie dey okay. Because if you and one guy or see na gboma na ma we stand over here dokpaji. One gari emi on eki emi numa kumaji. Uwe musician ge uki. Umonule la gnole le imi kia we umeke ne we ma do se gbuse ni ya ni ke do se be webu. E we ma hon de gi ma ropa wo save wo na leta idu asin la de so we. Iwu wa wo save London the islands no ma eti asa. E ma dire we bonu we ya win a dirty job for how many years? Ma bele are you mo son so ason ni. Amani no wo sabu where obi rita so a wo rita wo sabu no pagudo a obi no pagino de dragon de go ma tipe o sano wo domana yebe polo ma bi jeta ma wo ya ma asa ibi esta yebe polo ye musa esta yebe polo ye musa kiye koda fun for how many years ibi ya ye polo ye musa esta no bi dopaji no jukme olokun ya gbin aye mi no yen yin gilewu. But naga si wosa. Come and bring the money. Unaga so. Ijo fora me we pape ran o. Or when ya la London Dublin ni ade airlines ya ma mi egbe wala na de ko sin ya we pape na vegbe. Nu ta mi we no ya dio e. When ya mu ri yen fi okekebu eke ni ya mu efi na ni ya do mo yen yu we. Because o ma pa enfa. No ni ami video ni die mo bono ya adibon ke me ma ni yitie o mo eko ne sera me mi atie no Bigita way is your boyfriend ye. We don't know wabi yema badweke boyfriend and girlfriend. Wabi yema badweke boyfriend and girlfriend. Gia na le na gwana star. Emi no say wo hu ke adegbu ohun. Ijo fora me when you or when you tell me when you are over here you pere. For this self-love video, Esther Pikin which is a coco if skeleton. He can't post this thing. As he post this thing for social media, like and love and share the video, my darling people. As he post this thing for social media, he said na his boyfriend where people define be that. He said people where define and made them go collect her. He said na him be the boyfriend. Sarah Coco do this thing knowingly because he want to destroy the career of this boy. He owed this boy, he not pay her. His parents not even worry. His mama not even worry. His family not even worry. Say, if he start do worry in the UK or Maha, but he still carry the boy on social media say, na his boyfriend, na him be that one. Sarah Coco know this boy. Now call it, take call and say make he come. Say he get wetin he want do. Now so he want do music. Now so he want do something. Now the boy go take me time. I don't know him before. These are all these boys who be saying they born for Irish country, which is Ireland. They don't get their passport, get their everything because now their mama for born them. So he can't now this one I say Esther children yeah be there where they run follow. Say they want follow do relationship, make them forget passport. This boy, the conversation where Sarah Fete contact this boy, take call and say make it come. Say they want to do business together. Now I want to look for Sue. Be like say na him be this. This is the conversation. The WhatsApp conversation. The small boy, the name is called, his name now Ovorame. Ovorame is born by a Nigeria, a Benin woman in the island over there in Dublin. His mama born her, he not born her give Esther, but Esther children, they see her, they run follow her, my darling people. Like and love and share this video. Mona read the message. He say, my sister, this one, this WhatsApp conversation when I put for years, so now Sarah Coco conversation, now it be this. And you can see the first time Sarah Coco contacted that boy was September 5th, 2024. September 5th, 2024, 6:37 p.m. in the evening. Greetings, my darling people. Now Sarah Coco they contact Owohana for the very first time. He said, my sister, she's an artist too. She want to do a video shoot. And she would like you and the few of your fine friends. The few of your fine friends to be in the movie. But you will be her male vixen. You will be her male vixen, maybe her male boyfriend. He said, act as the boyfriend in the video. You know how it work now. The boy can't say no problem. Now the boy can't agree. They can't still agree on money, everything. Where Esther go pick children go pay her. No ya feature with a movie, a be a video ni ya agree they agree everything. The boy go. He can't go do music. He can't go do the video and everything with Esther children. Now the first conversation, now I carry come at so. As he can't go do the something with this boy Fini, where with Esther children, please share the video for me. Like and love, share and tag other people for me. As this boy don't go feature for Esther children, something finish. Iyamakama nego. Iyana kuyo, iginya asaya nego. Iyana ye boy na ya will produce a movie. A producing something, I don't know what they call and what they know. As they use that, they produce what they want produce finish. In Mariasa, From there, Sarah Coco started worrying the boy, make he come, make they come do relationship. They call and they go out. That time, Sarah Coco don't already even carry this belly with the say bon. So maybe be one put that belly for this boy head. Or maybe be one put the belly for this boy neck. He come they call and say me then go out, me then go date. The boy come they avoid to say, aye mami go, you go no worry ni even what in ba ni reba ye mami gado when name we book me ayi. The boy no come they go. So of recent we fight come the social media when Sarah Coco don't from born, a bit before he born so. Sarah Coco come post this small boy for his social media. The movie where this boy follow Sarah Coco do. Sarah Coco that the boy Fisher and the boy no even write. They not even write the boy name. Abi they not even tag that to make it be say be like say they collabo do one. Make the boy even profit anything for the movie where they do. They use this small boy, Sarah Coco and Stephanie, his sister. They use and they produce something for themselves. Les Nigériens waje et Karatigien, les Mawayele lekian since then. Their mother the user. You don't carry that character go UK. This thing what they see for years so. Now Sarah Coco what's up? Now it be this when I want the live stream for years this evening. Sarah Coco not pay from there, my darling people. You can't they look for a Kia of the boy. The boy no good. Not be of recent. He just throw away this small boy put for his saga. He say, now this boy. He say, now him be boyfriend. Now yeah, if I put him for social media, he say he boyfriend where people they find for social media. He say, now him be this so. He can't put the boy. He immediately put the boy for social media. This boy lose 19 friends because now people where they go out, they do all these concerts that they do show. Now Nigerian way now Nigerian boy where be say Irish, they born out for Irish, get Irish passport where Irish he shot the mama and Bini woman she go talk for years this evening. Now so if you stand lu wuhana sele iya mari no wuhana iya masa ye bi no guyan e boy na ma be gui iya bi jena fe ko lawa unda I make no more no damage no digba so ma ya wa make no more e ne balo ma if you na le unda e stack elebo e boy ya iya na le lawa. As this boy even do that one reach say if you started one on name, it was the something not going even the bother the people say the next thing where they can't do this small boy now they can't go put the picture for social media. A relationship over here instantly on our lose it because a self-love will not our guari. A self-love will not our see social media people who know what in social media now. All their family people where they Ireland. Emanikale le kianyana le. Ovi Okana is depressed right now. They say I am Latin. People where they follow and they go for social media. All of the self-love yamula diakake ne sera ya post. So when I talk to mama yesterday, I tell her say me no go blame self-love because a sera vio omo Okana ladian where a boyfriend diye na him nonsensical boy. I don't post my man no. I find good man with bad character, nonsensical boy. Now so it bring and come out. Wait, this say the boy now. Over your can job be like una picking one at the train for his ass. One person like this children just carry and put for social media. Not minding about the privacy of the child, not minding about anything. Now even call and make they can't do music together. Over here na be akyen na yakoko we music if yes tama abu kana sayama ejo sayama marupasa if here na be le lawa ni yes target do gbiyan ba be yan kosin we je we gbe e get block gbe before you know it my darling people over here kana na do mu e ije keke wo kana to so we ma opa enva yan ya video atin ye ya land hin ya mu eko ni e ma ni dare ni raduro yon ya mweko ni yan yon eri yan mu ye social media yan na screenshot e view pa ya bully o buhana you understand me na if you ma pa enva o If yes, tama be asa. Iye nego ni ya we music. Iji ya mo nukia mo we perererererere. Ye make ye neve laughing we. A laughing is the best. See it or ye wana. A bit of pass. Nothing. Wait, be say. It not the fee happen for Ila because you give a Cubana chief priest. If you na ya awo sakun we music ikun we UK. The worst part of it all. Somebody say, how old is the boy? I think 23, 24. Now he be. You understand? Around 23, 24. So if you can go gore, ije gi so yo sore ni agwe. E se ra koko give ya star. Iya ma bi yon sa. So iya mwe, iya domu latian. Obokana na do. The worst part of it all, when Sarah Coco just do this thing, he get a back up with Southwestern. This boy can't start to the call to say, Sarah, pick my call. You don't put me for social media. Say I be your boyfriend. You don't carry me go social media. Say, now me be your boyfriend. People where they around me for islands here. They don't let me rest. All of them, they tell me, say, I don't go give woman belly. I day online, I day online. Et Sarah ma pick a call. Vous n'avez not yesi. Et he jet. He not pick a call. This small boy can't they cry. He can't they call. Sarah, pick my call. Remove me from online. Me, I look whether I'll go see the conversation. Sarah, Esther picking. Or ma pick a call over me. Over me na so na tie kon over me de cost the small boy. If you Esther ma picky. Now you can go contact his sister. Where they call Stephanie. Message and conversation where they contact Stephanie. Now be this one where they discreet so. The one where senior Sarah Coco. You can go contact and say, Stephanie, make I read the message, my darling people, for now. Now Stephanie and the boy, now they talk for years so. He can say, you, Stephanie, I want to talk to you because your sister aren't responding to me. I don't appreciate what she has posted. People have been disturbing my line and bothering my life, saying negative things about me. Finding out she's gone online to call me her boyfriend. I'm nobody's boyfriend. She didn't run it by me before. Like she didn't talk to me about it before posting something like that online. And what she captioned it is completely wrong. I did not, he said she captioned it was not what we agreed. That is not what they agreed because they had an agreement to shoot a video. I shoot a video he said that was not on our agreement. If yes, Tamahasa, yana wa mwebo yana do mufi social media. Na gele we no khian we self love. Ona gele luwe. Abas yo wa no je veni yan bakyan ve UK buto. E sona lese yan we yamagwalo ni adomi yan social media. According to a family 19 people or less of kana no wa ya social media baba na 19 people. DBS. He say it's now causing me public issues. He said, when what she said is not true, and that is now defaming. She's defaming me. So I'm requesting she take it down. Otherwise, it's going to be a big issue. My darling people, Eserakoko Mansa, na Stephanie, na the boy can go look for a number. A family the boy in another when Stephanie, no ya go the phone number to you and no Stephanie. You can't go find Stephanie number. Or the phone of Stephanie, not the many give Stephanie to say all these things where they so now time go give Stephanie. Stephanie can say, first, my apologies. Sarah can be very playful, and it was another way of promoting the song, but it's fine. She has deleted it. I think una hear matter. Sarah say, "This niya boy na here with music na. If yes tamahasa." Iya maveri ni boy na yo ma tag ni na gina in one day. Asoma no gwian we. Iji ana mo wo wa ona ewe. But when it come reach Saga, If yes, some of you the right person ni ya biela, ni ya bie na ya maria, la dinya na ya movora ni ya ngome career the UK ni ya bove. Because evo geleye boy na we ni ya na do move social media. He got you a boyfriend of him. I think he was begging me if you cannot G. Una see, yes, now they are going to go legal. Definitely. You understand, my darling people? So, they can't put on for social media. Do you know that after that one, a boy na esera koko na le Instagram do agbe mi die where they will not see another me where or ya tamotinye or maka kamiye me nana me where or mata me and a phone or by a missed call a message or refone a serakoko married black a hije the kind of life and the heart where mama job gets. So my darling people, I want to call the woman now, make it talk for you because I tell her say he go talk for you this evening because you go no can if yes if yes sa tia here sa because I will budget and make an winner for free. Iji ya rao yo tona mwe destiny ona zubua oa. Ona ro emi ya no mona mwe figbese no hua ona lese. Now, if yes ya wa besu the same character. Iya wa besu they don't start them for Dublin where they go. Same character. Iya wa be dele yo sanek begbe. Now, Esther Pikin say now he say na avat. He say na you want do. So a saga no yes start lying now. Ona garu le gwalo man ogwe we music egegie no do yi mane presenter ya promote. Wa be we. Ona ene go but ona ga vie workers. E ma ya no wina le worker e sera le music ni ya pe ni sera iya ma pe ya yigero ka yes start wosa. Iya ma asa. Iya na we they want to quickly use social media to promote and make money they come out for inside. Who do one for them? They don't pay. They can still put on for online. Make people they bully. Why don't you give yes tao? Because if you wig be or we go look bubble. On a me aware. On a niya low, niya move your problem in the UK. Is your baby of your dobe no set 7 in lalo.